This single ship takes over 3 years to build and costs more than $1 billion.
We're building a vessel that will be taller than a 20-story building and longer than 3 football fields.
Be ready. Let's see how we turn steel and dreams into the world's most luxurious floating resort.
Every cruise ship begins here, with these massive coils of special marine-grade steel. This isn't ordinary steel. It's specially treated to resist saltwater corrosion for decades. Before any steel is used, it undergoes rigorous testing for strength and purity. Robotic cutters slice through steel like butter, following computer designs with millimeter precision. Watch as 2,000 tons of pressure transforms flat steel into the curved hull of our ship. Steel must be heated to extreme temperatures before it can be shaped into the complex curves our ship needs. These tireless robots work day and night, creating perfect welds that will last for decades at sea. Moving these enormous steel sections requires perfect coordination between crane operators and ground crew. Powerful magnets make it possible to maneuver these massive pieces with incredible precision. Every inch of steel receives multiple protective layers to survive decades in harsh ocean conditions. Computer-controlled machines create even the most intricate decorative elements with perfect accuracy. Every single piece is numbered and tracked, like a massive 3-dimensional puzzle. Self-driving vehicles transport components exactly where they're needed, when they're needed. Before assembly, every surface must be perfectly cleaned to ensure strong, lasting welds. Laser scanners create digital models to verify every piece matches the design specifications perfectly.
This is where it all begins. The keel, the backbone of our ship that everything else builds upon.
To meet our deadline, multiple ship sections are constructed simultaneously across this enormous facility.
Every component is marked with unique identifiers, so we can track its entire history from raw material to finished ship. These towering steel walls divide the ship into watertight compartments, essential for safety at sea. We use multiple inspection methods to find even microscopic defects that could compromise safety. Components are carefully stored and protected until they're needed for final assembly.
With all our steel prepared and tested, we're ready for the most exciting phase, building the actual ship hull.
Now the real magic begins, assembling these enormous sections into a ship hull that will cross oceans. The tolerances are incredible. These massive pieces must fit together perfectly.
Skilled welders work around the clock, creating thousands of meters of airtight seams that must withstand enormous ocean pressure.
Every single weld is X-rayed to ensure there are no hidden bubbles or weaknesses inside.
Modern cruise ships feature double hulls. If the outer layer is damaged, the inner hull keeps the ship afloat.
These watertight doors can seal off damaged sections in an emergency, preventing the entire ship from flooding.
Internal reinforcements give the hull incredible strength to handle rough seas and the weight of 18 decks above. The bow is one of the most recognizable features. This distinctive shape cuts through waves and defines our ship's character. The stern houses critical propulsion systems, precision openings for massive propeller shafts that will drive our ship. Watch as our ship grows skyward, each deck adding living space for thousands of passengers. Every joint where decks connect is reinforced with multiple welds. No compromises on structural integrity.
The engine room floor must support machinery weighing as much as 20 loaded trucks fully. This foundation is built like a fortress.
Even interior surfaces receive protective coatings, defending against condensation and humidity from inside the ship. These specialized fins extend during rough seas, dramatically reducing ship motion for passenger comfort. Every pipe and cable that passes through the hull requires specialized sealing. Water intrusion is simply not acceptable. These tunnel thrusters let our massive ship maneuver sideways in port, essential for docking without tugboat assistance. We verify hull thickness at thousands of points, ensuring every area meets the exact specifications required for ocean service.
These zinc blocks corrode instead of the hull, a simple but effective system that extends our ship's life by decades.
Engraving the ship's name into the keel is a centuries-old tradition. This plate will sail with our vessel forever. Before moving forward, each section undergoes intensive pressure testing fray.
Powerful pumps can remove water from anywhere in the ship, our last line of defense if compartments are breached.
These markings help the crew monitor how deep the ship sits in water, critical for safety and fuel efficiency.
This section represents thousands of hours of skilled labor. Every worker takes pride in their contribution to this mass.
As major sections come together, our ship's distinctive shape becomes unmistakable. We're building something truly magnificent.
The bow must accommodate anchors heavier than full-size trucks with chains strong enough to hold our entire ship in storms.
Lasers project full-size blueprints directly onto the steel, and workers can see exactly where every component belongs.
This massive side door allows us to load provisions, equipment, even vehicles directly into the ship.
Independent surveyors verify that every aspect meets strict international safety standards. We can't proceed without their approval.
Before painting, the entire exterior is meticulously prepared, the foundation for a finish that will last years.
These incredible windows let passengers view underwater life while cruising, each pane engineered to withstand enormous pressure.
Every weld passes under the scrutiny of master inspectors. Their decades of experience ensure nothing substandard makes it through. In just over a year, we've transformed flat steel into the unmistakable silhouette of a luxury cruise ship.
Here's something amazing. Entire rooms are built off-site and installed as complete units.
In this specialized facility, craftsmen build complete cabins in controlled conditions, far more efficient than working inside the ship.
Each cabin has standardized connection points. Once positioned, all systems connect in minutes rather than days. Only the finest materials make it onto a luxury cruise ship. This suite's bathroom costs more than most people's cars.
Nearly every cabin features a private balcony. Guests can enjoy ocean views from their own personal outdoor space.
The heart of our ship is this breathtaking atrium, a soaring space that will take passengers.
This single restaurant can serve more people than most entire restaurants hold, and we have 7 more dining venues throughout the ship.
Our kitchens rival the finest restaurants on land. World-class chefs will create thousands of meals here every single day.
This isn't just a theater, it's a world-class performance venue where guests will enjoy spectacular shows rivaling anything on Broadway.
The technical systems rival professional theaters there. Our entertainment team can create virtually any environment imaginable.
Each pool is a complete unit, built off-site and dropped into place, then connected to our advanced filtration systems.
These aren't ordinary slides. They're thrilling attractions that twist multiple decks down, ending with a splash in the pool below.
The pool deck must accommodate hundreds of guests comfortably. Every detail is planned for maximum relaxation and enjoyment.
The casino rivals those in Las Vegas. Guests can try their luck while cruising the open ocean. The onboard spa offers every treatment imaginable. From massages to thermal experiences,
Even fitness enthusiasts are accommodated. They can maintain their workout routine while enjoying spectacular ocean views.
families love our Kids Club. Children have their own dedicated space with age-appropriate activities and supervision.
These stunning glass elevators are attractions themselves, offering breathtaking views as passengers move through the ship.
This magnificent staircase is a work of art. Passengers love posing here for photos, especially during formal nights.
Guests can shop luxury brands without ever leaving the ship. From jewelry to designer fashion, it's all here.
We feature museum-quality artwork throughout the ship. Guests enjoy a floating art gallery with pieces from renowned artists. For those seeking tranquility, the library offers a peaceful escape with ocean views and an extensive collection of books. When the sun goes down, the party starts. Our nightclub features a world-class sound system and lighting that rivals top clubs anywhere.
The stage technology is incredible. Automated curtains, moving platforms, and every public space has integrated audio and video. From entertainment to safety announcements, communication reaches everywhere.
Guests can watch movies under the stars powered. Imagine enjoying a film while floating across the ocean at sunset. Whelan's. This stunning space at the front of the ship offers the best views on board, perfect for watching sunrises. This single engine is as heavy as 400 elephants and generates enough power for a small city. Positioning this massive engine requires millimeter precision, even slightly off, and it won't function properly. The engine room is the most technically sophisticated part of the ship, a maze of systems that must work together flawlessly. These enormous shafts transmit the engine's power to the propellers, and they'll rotate constantly for decades, pushing our ship through the water.
These carefully balanced propellers are engineering marvels. Their shape optimized for maximum efficiency and minimal vibration. These powerful thrusters let our massive ship move sideways in port, essential for docking without tugboats at modern cruise terminals.
Engines. These generators produce enough electricity to power a small town.
The captain controls these massive engines from the bridge. Computers monitor thousands of parameters every second for optimal performance.
These enormous tanks hold enough fuel to cross the Atlantic several times, critical for transoceanic voyages. Our ship makes its own fresh water from seawater pumping and treats all wastewater to higher standards than most cities.
Keeping thousands of people comfortable in every climate requires enormous HVAC systems, enough cooling power for 2,000 homes.
Environmental protection is crucial though. These scrubbers clean engine exhaust to meet the strictest standards, protecting the oceans we sail.
These incredible fins extend during rough seas, reducing ship motion by 85%.
Modern navigation systems integrate with engine control. The ship can automatically adjust course and speed for optimal efficiency.
We treat all ballast water to prevent invasive species from spreading between ports, protecting ocean life everywhere we sail.
Safety means redundancy. If any system fails, backups automatically engage. We have backups for our backups. Engine rooms are protected by sophisticated fire suppression. Multiple systems can flood the space with CO2 or water mist in seconds. These systems continuously clean engine oil and fuel. Removing contaminants extends engine life and improves efficiency.
Combined with bow thrusters, these give our ship incredible agility. We can rotate in place or move sideways with precision.
Where the spinning shafts exit the hull, specialized seals prevent any water from entering fuel. These must work perfectly every moment. From this control room, engineers monitor everything. Thousands of sensors report on every aspect of the propulsion systems. Safety is paramount. Every system must pass hundreds of rigorous tests before this ship carries a single passenger.
Sophisticated fire detection covers every space on board, and the system can pinpoint a fire within seconds and automatically alert the crew.
These lifeboats provide enough capacity for everyone on board, plus extras. They're designed to launch even in severe weather conditions. Every lifeboat undergoes water testing power. They must launch quickly, remain stable, and protect occupants for days if necessary.
Life jackets are stored every few feet throughout passenger areas. Every guest can reach one within 30 seconds from anywhere on board.
Before sailing, every passenger attends a safety drill at their assigned muster station plug. Everyone learns emergency procedures.
In an emergency, the captain can seal any compartment instantly from the bridge, containing flooding to damaged areas only.
If main power fails, emergence lights automatically activate throughout the ship, guiding passengers to safety even in total darkness. Fire doors throughout the ship automatically close when the alarm sounds, dividing the ship into fire-resistant zones that slow any spread. Unlike most buildings on land, cruise ships have complete sprinkler coverage. Every cabin, corridor, and public room is protected. From the bridge, officers monitor fire detection throughout the ship, and they can see exactly where any fire is and
If main power fails completely, emergency generators automatically start, powering critical systems like steering.
Large spaces have powerful smoke extraction fans. In a fire, they can clear smoke rapidly, helping passengers and crew evacuate safely. Throughout the ship, crew access lockers contain firefighting equipment and rescue tools. Our crew key. Before carrying a single passenger, the ship must pass exhaustive safety inspections. The entire ship receives multiple coats of specialized marine paint for protection and beauty. And this paint will... The underwater hull gets special anti-fouling paint that prevents barnacles and algae, keeping the bottom smooth for fuel efficiency. While robots handle large areas, skilled artists hand paint the intricate decorative elements that give our ship its distinctive appearance.
the ship's name is painted in letters taller than a person, visible from miles away.
The exterior features custom artwork and sculptures, transforming our ship from industrial vessel into...
The waterline is carefully painted at the designed floating level. When properly loaded, our ship will float exactly at this line. Official markings identify our ship's registry port and international maritime number, this vessel's unique identity in the global fleet.
Color-coded markings help crew navigate this enormous vessel. Each area has distinctive colors, making it easier to find locations quickly.
The funnel displays our cruise line's iconic colors and logo. Visible for miles, this is how people recognize our ship approaching port.
Every square foot of painted surface is inspected for flaws. Any imperfections are corrected before we proceed to final stasis. Skilled painters correct any minor flaws discovered during inspection. We accept nothing less than a perfect finish throughout. As protective coverings come off, we finally see the ship's true appearance. She's been transformed from...
Sophisticated LED lighting will illuminate our ship at night, creating a spectacular sight visible for miles across.
The entire exterior receives final cleaning and polishing, and our ship must look absolutely...
Breaking a champagne bottle against the bow is a centuries-old tradition, bringing good luck to the ship and all who sail aboard her. The blocks are released, and gravity takes over. Nearly 100 tons of steel. The stern hits the water with tremendous force, creating waves that crash against the dock.
She floats exactly at the designed waterline, proving years of calculations were perfectus. Our ship is truly seaborne now.
Tugboats carefully guide our new ship to the outfitting pier, where final systems will be installed and tested before maiden voyage. From above, you can truly appreciate her magnificent scale, nearly a quarter-mile long and taller than a 20-story building. This magnificent vessel represents the dedication of over 1,000 skilled workers, their craftsmanship.
We've built something truly extraordinary together, Forders. Next week, we'll take her to sea for testing.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, from raw steel to finished floating resort.